Once the product seals are installed, body is tight, both body retaining bolts. Install your rotor keys on top and bottom shaft. We're going to install and torque the rotors. Make sure your O-ring is seated. Align your rotor keyway with the top side of your shaft. Install your rotor. Same with the bottom. Inspect your O-ring. Align your shaft pin. Once your rotors are seated, you're going to install your jam nut. Make sure your Belleville washer has a ping. Your inner and outer O-ring are seated. Install with anti-seize. We use a Bostic PTFE food grade anti-seize. Once your jam nuts are hand tight, you want to use your rotor blocking tool and a torque wrench set to 250 foot-pounds or whatever the manual specifies for the model of pump you're working on. Install your rotor blocking tool. Begin to torque. Move your rotor blocking tool to the other wing. Begin to torque. Once your rotors are torqued, check, make sure your rotors spin freely. Install your cover nuts. And this will conclude the torquing of the rotor and the reassembly on a Waukesha Universal 2 PD pump. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thank you for watching.